Okay, so for our home-based learners, we bought some stuff on Amazon, and this is what we bought. And here's how much it cost in red. So the Black Forest Juicy Burst cost $5.96. What we determined was there were 4 boxes that we bought, and each box had 40 little gummy packages in it. So there were a total of 160 gummy packages. Now, this is what's called the unit cost. All right? So each box costs $5.96. So with your calculators, tell me how much 4 boxes cost. So you're going to do 5.96 times 4. What does that equal? Say it again. 23.84. Okay, does everybody get 23.84? All right, 23.84. How many of the classic hot cocoa did I get? 6? Oh, wait a minute. This one is the total. Okay, so this one, I want you to divide by 6. What's 59.64 divided by 6? Make. Okay, 9.94. Did everybody get that? Okay. Now let's look here at the Kraft Mac and Cheese. Here, this is going to be a unit cost. So I need to multiply $7.48 by 8, since I got 8 boxes. What is it? $7.48 times 8? Whoa. $59.84. Okay. Y'all are doing great, by the way. Okay, so Starbucks Pike Place coffee. This is going to be just like the other Starbucks, where we're given the total, so we have to divide by the units, which is 4. So what's 49.31 divided by 4? 12.32. Finally, we have the Marucan Instant Chicken. This is the per case price, like these, the big cases. So we need to multiply, there were 3 of those, so we need to multiply that by 3. 31.35. Now, I want everyone to do something for me. Okay? So what we've arrived at here are these totals. $23.84 for the juicy fruit. Black Forest. You see this, CJ? Oh, you see me? Yeah. Okay. For the Starbucks hot cocoa, $59.64. For the Kraft Mac and Cheese, what's the total? Okay. For the Starbucks Pike's Place, what was the total? That's the unit price? Yeah, these Starbucks ones were weird. And then finally, Marucan Chicken total? There you go. Okay, so here's what I want to do. First, I want to find out what my total is for all of this before tax, okay? So if you're at the register at Brookshire's and you can see the number going up as the guy's checking out stuff, or girl, that number is pre-tax, okay? That's the pre-tax number. So I need everyone to add up all the numbers in the blue boxes, and this is going to be called the sub total. Sub means before, okay? We need multiple people to add it to do it, so we make sure we get the right number. $223.98. 223.98. Okay, now who has a cell phone in here that gets good data signal? Can you please pull that cell phone out? Go to Chrome or Safari or whatever your web browser is and type in Texas sales tax. Okay? Because we need you guys to learn what the Texas sales tax, and then Sergio, if you would add this word rate. Texas sales tax rate. We need to know this. Very important number. Yes? I couldn't hear what?
Did you say for us to add just the blue box?
Just the blue boxes, yeah.
Do you want the sales tax 2020 or just...
Yes.
Okay.
You got a different number?
No, it's the same.
No, I'm saying Silver got a different number. Did anyone else verify that all this...
115.03.
Well, this would be over that, so I think maybe you didn't get it. Yeah. What's the sales tax rate?
6.25%.
No.
That's not it?
Wait, let's see. Did it change? I thought it was 8.25.
I looked it up, right? Texas sales tax rate.
You wouldn't believe this, but that's exactly what it says on his phone. Let's see. Look at this. Look at that. It went down.
It's between, well, it says with local taxes, okay, the state sales tax, that's the difference. This is the state. Here, this is with local taxes, the total sales tax rate
It's
is
still between
this and this.
So let's look at rate changes. Okay, look, they're all 8.25. Okay, all right, so a little point of clarification. We will just write, we're just going to erase the word Texas here. The sales tax rate is 8.25%. Okay? Write this down in your journals. Okay? Yeah, I mean, right, that's the number it's been for like 25 years, so. Okay, now, does anyone know how to write a percent as a decimal? Yes.
You want like 0.25. 0.825? Or is it 0.0825?
Yes. Say it. Yes. Yeah. So we're going to move the decimal over 2 places to the left, and we'll put it there and add a 0. So, and erase the percent. Okay, so here's your, as a decimal, it's 0.0825. So write that down. This is the decimal version, and this is the percent version. Okay? So now we're going to calculate tax. Are you ready? So this is tax. I want you to multiply this number, which is the subtotal, by this tax rate, 0.0825. So 223.98 times 0.0825. Tell me what you get. 18 what? Did anyone else get that? 1847? Okay. 1847. We're just multiplying. Yeah, we're multiplying 223.98 times 0.0825. Okay? Now, that gives us the tax. Well, you have to pay that at the register, right? You don't just get to walk out with your food without paying the tax. So, what do you think we need to do with these two numbers? Add them. Okay?
Which will add you to $242.45.
$242.45. $242.45. So y'all know that in math we call this the decimal, but this is the cents in money. Here are the dollars and here are the cents. Like 45 cents could be 4 dimes and 1 nickel, right? Or it could be 9 nickels. Y'all understand? It could be 1 quarter and 2 dimes. Okay, we're gonna learn all about change, but we're gonna get to it later. So what do we call this? This number. This has a name. That's the subtotal. What's total? There's a number, there's a word that goes in front of it that's also the first word of a very popular and violent video game involving guns and cars. Grand total. Thank you. Yes, grand total. Okay. The grand total, $242.45. Now, what is the symbol for money? Like, how do I make sure this looks like money? Okay, can you draw it? Because I don't know. I don't know how. I need help. Yeah.
You said draw the dollar sign?
Draw a dollar sign right there.
In front of it?
Yeah. Nice job. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to blow that up big so everyone can see it. This is the symbol for money. It's like an S with 2 lines like that. Okay, that means money. We all want a lot of that, right? We want the Cash App. We want money in the bank. We want money in the grave. When I die, I'll put my money in the grave. Okay? Don't do that. Was that too cringy? Zach, are you still breathing from the cringe on that one? Okay. So, we've actually learned a whole lot here, okay? We've learned a whole lot here. What I want to do next time, because I want to stop here because we're on such a good place to stop. What I want to learn next time is I want to learn how much each one of these costs, okay? Not only that, Candace, what I want to learn is I want to learn how much each little bag costs, but then I want to weigh the bag and I want to find out how much it costs per ounce. Okay? And there's a reason for that. Can I tell you the reason and then we'll be done? Yes, if you know the cost per ounce, okay? If you know the cost per ounce, you can compare products. See, if you have multiple gummy snacks, some of them will have 25 in the box, some of them will have 100 in the box, some of them will have 10 in the box. You need to know what the cost is per ounce in order to compare them, okay? And some grocery stores have that on the price tag and some of them don't. And actually, even at Walmart, I noticed sometimes they do put it, and sometimes they don't. And sometimes it's wrong. And okay, so we're gonna let me just go stop my recording. Pardon me, sir.